yours, not all yours.
What's that?
You need to share.
I know, I was here first. I'm working this area.
Well, I don't care. I'm fishing now. You don't.
Hey,
you don't
listen, don't argue with me, lady.
You don't own it.
Don't argue with me.
You don't own it, motherfucker.
You get that caught in my jack, $650 jacket.
Well, get out of my way then, fucker.
Yeah, don't worry. I got my video going.
Good.
I know.
What do you want me to fuck?
I'm just telling you, lady, look, I came here every day for an hour. I don't need shit from anybody, okay?
I don't care. I'm coming to fish. You don't want.
Why don't you go up there?
You go up there.
No, this is
You
my
go up
pool
there.
right now.
I can come here and fish.
That ain't your pool. Shut up.
Oh, dude, I remember you. Don't fucking mess with me, man.
It was cool. You would give us part and you would take part.
I'm sorry. I'm working this area.
How come last year you
Hey,
said it was okay?
dude, I can't hear a fucking word you're saying. I got
Last year you said
tinnitus.
it
I
was
got my
okay.
earplugs.
Last year you said it was okay. Not that it's yours.
Yeah, you said it was okay for the fish, but you not
Not that